All right. This is a review from yesterday. You need to know this. Okay? You can't get directly from mass at the beginning of your problem to mass at the end. There's no direct calculation and no direct conversion. You've got to go through molar mass to get moles, molar ratio to get your ending moles, molar mass to get your ending mass. Okay? So that's what we're doing down here. All right. So we need what to go right here? To get from starting mass to starting moles, what do you need? From starting mass to ending to starting moles, what do you need? From mass to moles and moles to mass, what do you need? Molar mass. I know you did. I'm asking it because I'm trying to get everybody on board. I need everybody to say it because apparently some people think we're still doing something else. To get from mass to moles, what do you calculate? Molar mass. To get from moles to mass, what do you calculate? Molar mass. To get from particles to moles, what do you use? No! Avogadro's number.
Why would you switch it up like that?
To see if you're listening.
What am I doing to that, Christy?
Nobody, how do you say his name? I said avocado.
It's Avogadro.
It's what?
Avogadro.
Avocado.
Avogadro.
Okay, I said avocado. It sounds like avocado. Avocado.
It sounds like avocado, but it's not.
That's what his name is. I said I was.
Quiet, I'll be gone.
All right. So, what do we need to do to calculate the molar mass? Add up all the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula. Write that in units of grams and set it equal to 1 mole with species on both sides. It doesn't matter where you put it. I'm going to put it right down here. Okay? It doesn't matter where you put it on your paper. Yes, sir.
You know, I had sisters before that told me what ISS really meant. They said what y'all tell us is wrong.
Really?
They said ISS is Inside Study Society. That's what it really means.
Well, that's wrong.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, it's Inside Study Society.
No, it's not.
All right, can we not worry about those things and worry about this right now, please? You don't need to know what ISS stands for to pass my test. Okay, I got an empty slot here, 2 empty slots there. What?
But I thought you said we were doing
Okay, Todd, follow with me here. Before I can do hydrochloric acid is what I want at the end. But to get there, I've got to go from starting mass to starting moles.
But it got the mass in the problem.
Or sodium hydroxide.
That's what he's doing now. I don't
You
understand
said
why
hydrochloric acid.
Yeah, you said hydrochloric. I'm not listening to my question.
Yes, Todd, we're listening to your question. You're not listening to the answer, really. Okay?
No, they think I'm saying something else. I'm not saying it. Like, I'm saying, like, you said the starting mass was sodium hydroxide.
Correct.
And in the problem, 2.5.
That's what we have right here. There's our starting mass right there.
So what you doing down
I'm trying to find the molar mass down here to build a conversion unit to get the starting moles. Yeah. Okay, just hold your horses. Okay. All right. Amber, are you on board now?
Yeah.
You got this answer already?
No, I don't. I'm trying to
I do one.
I got it. And it's equal to. Hold on.
You know, everybody in here could use a little dose of focus.
I get that about 10 minutes.
Okay? A little focus fluid.
Where can I acquire that? That doesn't sound legal.
What are you talking about? Where can I get some?
You weren't tracking.
You know, I almost hate to do the jokes because y'all get off track when I do that. Really. Come on. All right. Hold on. You had it first. I'm going to let you give me the answer. No, not you, him.
38.9971.
Slow down. 9971. Okay.
Round it off to get 38.997.
Okay. We need to round off those last two digits because this is one of those cases where we do have empty slots to the right. And this is addition. Okay.
Where'd you get 38 from? It's 39. I got 39.
Yeah.
Is it?
39.99.
You're right. It should be 39.
Hey, the 39. Oh, yeah, I see. I accidentally did. I have a one at the top. Hold on. Hey, 39, guys.
Who your head, KC?
Now, by definition, this has to be written in units of grams.
Why did you do the last two digits?
In addition and subtraction, any digits resulting from empty slots to the right have to be rounded off. They're not significant
Why couldn't you do the one also? Round it off.
because there's no empty slot above the 1. Okay? This has to be set equal to grams. This has to be set with units of grams when you're done, according to definition. And we're going to set that equal to 1 mole of the same species. And the species is NaOH. Okay? So we have an equality statement. We need an equality statement for this conversion unit. Okay? What are we going to put on the bottom? That doesn't go on the bottom. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. That goes on the bottom. 39. I heard somebody say something else. I'm sorry. 39.9971 grams matches grams here, matches NaOH there. So that goes on the bottom. 39.9971 grams of NaOH. They match units and species. Then the other side of the equality statement down here goes on the top. 1 mole NaOH goes on the top. And yes, we're going to be doing division, but we also, as Will said, need to cancel the units and the species here. Okay, let everybody do the math themselves, and then I'll let you, Shane, tell me what the answer should be. Okay. Yes, this is one number on the top, one number on the bottom. This is a division problem. All right, Shane?
No.
Oh, sorry. You mean you're still writing? You need to be doing the math.
I did. I was trying to catch up.
So the whole class has got to wait on you to catch
No,
up?
I was like, I wouldn't have done either. We had
I wouldn't
Oh,
know.
Lord. I got it.
Okay, Shane, what's the answer here?
Okay, I got that. 40, 58, 42.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't get the 40.
Listen. Listen. Your calculator may not give you as many digits on the end. But whatever answer it gives you, I expect you to show on the paper. Okay? Some calculators have more digits in their display than others do. All right? So now we need to round off how many digits do we need. So I'll start underlining from what number?
5.
The second 5. The leading zeros are not significant. This is the first significant digit. I need to include the moles of NaOH. Those are the units and the species. Now I'm ready to round off. Arrow has to be used to show the rounding off. Get 0.0563. This 5 here makes that 2 round up. Moles NaOH.
Oh, what? My son didn't give me that answer, period.
All right.
Not the end of the problem.
No, it's only the first step.
Are you kidding?
Look, it doesn't take that long, but we have a lot of people I'm going back and reviewing and back and reviewing and back and reviewing for. That's part of the problem, isn't it?